What's up, guys? CRC. Today we're going to be taking a look at these. So these are Blizzard's Legacy Collection trading cards, and these are arts. These are art cards of their many different franchises. Everything from Diablo, StarCraft, Overwatch. Yeah, many of their different franchises and the like. So this should be pretty interesting. Boxes are pretty beat up here for some reason, but my seller assured me they were lucky. We're gonna test their claim here today. We're gonna go ahead and get right into this here today. So in these in these Legacy Collection boxes, you get 7 packs per box, which we can see here. And each pack has 8 cards in it. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. Now, personally, I'm mainly looking for cards from WoW, World of Warcraft, speak of the devil. Because there are cards of various rarity featured in this. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna check them out. First up, we have Lady Vashu. I'm sure that's World of Warcraft there. Blackthorn. That's crazy. I don't think I realized Blizzard made Blackthorn. Have you ever seen a video of an old video game of a one-handed shotgunner? There's your guy. Another card from World of Warcraft. Sorry about that. We have Khadgar. And to be clear, I'm not familiar with World of Warcraft. Oh, no. Yeah, there's WoW. There's WoW. So these cards are... Oh, Hearthstone. My mistake. I apologize. So those cards earlier were from Hearthstone. That's your WoW. That's your WoW symbol right there. Manuroth. Cool. I do like the red holographic effect that you can see here. See Upper Deck in the corner there, Blizzard, and then the name and symbol. Pretty cool. Kael'thas Sunstrider. I'm sorry. And then StarCraft. These are another ones that I was really interested in. Just kind of the Space Marine-esque, or I guess Space Marines are StarCraft-esque, since we kind of have a figure on which came first. We have Nerazim Dark Templar. I don't know how well you can see. Let me see how well this is. There we go. That's a little bit clearer. Really awesome looking cards. Diablo, no question. Lilith, really good. Fantastic artwork too. There is Thrall. And I am mainly looking for the orcs from World of Warcraft. That's just kind of a personal goal here. Yeah, I don't think I've owned any of these cards prior to this, so interested in whatever we find, but definitely. Oh, hang on 1 second. Quickly grab our rare. Move these out of the way. And I'm not overly familiar personally with too many of the different franchises featured here as well. Anub Arak. And that is from Heroes of the Storm. Interesting. So now I can kind of ID that symbol to be Heroes of the Storm. And then there's your Overwatch right there with Pharah. I don't play the games, I kind of hate them. And of course, the universe rewards me with another card that I would not want. There you go. There's your Tracer right there. We got a Hearthstone. We have Gul'dan. Really, let me see if I can back up a little bit. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Upright card as the rare this time around. We have Varian Rhine, I guess that is, from World of Warcraft there. We have StarCraft. We have an Adept from StarCraft. Some concept art for him there, it looks like. See head variations there. Another StarCraft. We have a Hellbat. Pretty cool. And then we have Magda, also from Diablo. The artwork is just a little bit hard to make out in grayscale. Pretty cool. Moving right on. So we have Illidan from Hearthstone. We have from Heroes, we have Kira. There we go. World of Warcraft, we have Akama. I don't normally mention it. Tychus Finlay from Heroes. I don't normally mention it, but there are some particularly high-value cards featured in this particular collection of cards as well. Some very, very valuable ones. A Banshee from StarCraft. That is such a cool card. I don't know if the ring light's gonna do it justice or not, but it's such a cool card. More StarCraft here in SCV. Really cool, really cool. StarCraft would be my favorite of the sets featured in here. Either Lightbringer. Almost looks a little bit, the light seems a bit blown out on camera here, but the card isn't too different, honestly. And that's from World of Warcraft. And then lastly, we have another StarCraft. We have Jim Raynor. And fantastic artwork. Yeah, Upper Deck had some really, really good photos. Not photos, but artworks, art pieces there. Alright. So we have Nimsy Necrofizzle, Hearthstone. We have ETC from Heroes. Also from Heroes, we have Greymane. From Hearthstone, we have Lunara. From World of Warcraft, we have Grommash Hellscream. I do know there is a rarer version of this, a grayscale rare of this one particularly. Really, really cool card there. We have a siege tank from StarCraft. We have Anadune Wire, or Rhine, I'm sorry, World of Warcraft there. And we have Rakanoth from Diablo. And let's see, we are down to just 3 packs left here. So far, no repeats. And right when I said it, we have Gul'dan. Right when I said it, Hearthstone. So we have Malfurion Stormrage from Heroes. I'm not sure if I recognize. I mean, I'm seeing that it's from all of their different IPs. I don't think I recognize Heroes though, like just in general. There's a regular Manarok. Excuse me. And there's a rare Stormrage. Interesting. We have Adria. Pretty sure that's Diablo 3. I feel like that's Diablo 3. We have Jaina Proudmoore. Kind of a silly name there, honestly. Agewine. Is that what that is? Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I don't know. And then lastly, we have a regular Grommash Hellscream to go with our rare. We're down to our last 2 packs of this first box. We have a different version of Garrosh Hellscream though. Oh, excuse me, not a different version. That's a different Hellscream. Interesting. Rock and Roll Racing. Not sure what. Yeah, there's no property. What do you call it? Stamp on it. Not familiar. From Heroes, we have Cassia. We have Mercy from Overwatch. We have Nova Terra from StarCraft. That's one of the box features there. And we have another. Just a regular. And a regular rare Banshee, which I'm not at all disappointed about that. Really, really cool. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And then an Illyria Windrunner. Cool. And we have just one more pack. Now, I can't speak to the rarity of really anything that we've gotten in terms of just what it would be worth. But so far, I am not at all disappointed with what we got. So our last pack here, we have Zol from Heroes. We have Morgul from We have Malygos from World of Warcraft. Pretty cool. That's a really cool card. Would have preferred to have that as a rare, honestly. Horadric Cube. Oh, that's a card. I see. You make something out of that. That is super weird. We have a rare Garrosh Hellscream there. Pretty cool. Knave Shadow Song. I'm not even entirely certain if that's how you pronounce that. We have StarCraft. We have Arturus Minsk. No idea. Fantastic looking artwork though. And then we have Balthrail. Diablo. Really fantastic artwork there. Super great artwork. Alright guys. And so that's our first box there. Really cool cards. Really fantastic artwork, which is always what I enjoy most about collecting cards in general, is the fantastic artwork on display. I did go into this kind of mostly wanting the rarer orc cards from World of Warcraft, but if I'm being completely honest here, my focus has really shifted. Seeing the cards in front of me, my focus has definitely shifted to StarCraft. The Banshee being absolutely the highlight pull of this one, because that card is just phenomenal. And then this, of course, the box concept, really interesting. Not sure if we'll get any more in the second box or not. And I guess in a way it's kind of the rarest card that we got here. HC25 Diablo. But yeah, definitely the Banshee definitely swung me more towards StarCraft and the cards available for that particular IP set, with the going forward into the next box. Alright guys, so that's been box one. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe, tell me what you thought about it. Did we get some good pulls? What do you guys think? That's the video. Thanks for watching and have a good one.